So okay, for today, I just want to share with you something personal. What's inside my bag. So yeah, now today I'm wearing or I'm using my reversible Coach bag that I just bought in Johor Bahru Premium Outlet, which is a steal. It's on 60% off, and then I get an extra 30% off. O, diba? Ang mura. So yeah. So let's see what's inside my bag. So okay, this one. I just bought this yesterday. It's a Cat Kidston purse, actually. Oh, I mean like coin purse. But just hold on. I use it to put my tasbih. Yeah, this one was given to me last 4 years ago. It's a semi-precious stone. It's a handmade. Yeah, so I guess this one deserves a nice purse or a nice place to put in. So I use this kapag nagdadasal ako inside the train. Yan. Yun yung tinatawag namin na zikir. So, this is something precious to me. Okay. And then, of course, my MRT card. Also from Cat Kidston. And then, this one. So cute, right? So matchy. This one, I used this pouch for my charger cable and headset. Then ito, I get this for free from Watson. Yung araw kasi na yun, nagkaroon sila ng sale. And then, yeah, binigay nila sa akin to for free. Freebie. So, what's inside here? Oh, okay, yung mga gamot ko. Ito kasi, gustong gusto ko yung amoy niya. It's a white flower. Pag medyo nahihilo ka, or parang gusto ko lang na amoy, may maamoy-amoy. And then, this one, oh, sa small tiger balm. Anting-anti ang dating, diba? Hindi kasi maganda to sa mga may bruises, ganon. So, ginagamit ko yan. And this one, because I got asthma, so I need to have a preventer. Okay, ito wag na. Akin na lang yan. Okay? And then, of course, the shades. A Sunny's Dior. This one as well, I get it as a steal because this is 50% off. O, diba? Aray. Ito kasi to protect your eyes. It's not because you just want to make porma. Hindi ko kailangan ng pumorma. Dahil matanda na aketch. Hindi naman. Okay, and then this one. This one also is actually together with this. So, anong laman niya? Ah, okay. Of course, I have this. This one, actually, I bought it in Batam. And I use, and I find this very useful. Especially, oh sorry. Especially if you're using a public toilet. So, yeah. Kailangan ko to for protection. Kasi hindi ako yung nag-i-squat. Baka mahulog ako, no? And, of course, ito, nabili ko to sa Guardian. Wet wipes. Ang bango niya. At saka, basta, very handy. Oh, ito. Binigay lang dyan sa ano sa Santec. May nagpapamigay ng tissue. So, ubusin natin sayang. And then, okay, this one is kasama nito, feminine wipes. Kailangan natin yan. And ito. Ano ba to? Salon pass. O, diba? Galing ng Japan yan. Binigay ni Marlene. My friend. Kailangan yan. Kasi para sa mga sumasakit ng mga kasukasuan. Okay, and then ito. Yung makeup kit ko. Everyday yan, kasama ko. Pero pag hindi ako nag-work, kilay lang talaga at saka powder. So, what's inside my Kikay kit? This one, okay, this is a lip glow from Dior. I've been using this for years. I mean this brand, and it's really nice because pag pinahid mo siya sa lips mo, parang ang tawag dyan, yung ifo-follow niya yung temperature ng body mo. So mag-iiba yung kulay niya. Ang favorite ko talagang kulay is yung parang light pink. Pero, ito yung binili sa akin ng husband ko. Yung parang orangey. Pero okay lang din. Maganda naman ng ano niya. Ang kulay niya, mauubos na nga siya. So, I need to buy one. Yan, lip glow. Maganda to. Try nyo. And then, ito. Yung parang BB compact ng Laneige. I'm using 23. Yeah. And then, what else? Okay. Primer ng MAC before I put on any lipstick, but of course kung wala akong work hindi ako nagli-lipstick kasi I find it mainit sa labi. And then ito, of course, Kilay is Life. Oh, benefit ba to? Oh yeah, correct, benefit. Sorry. At ito yung pinaka favorite kong shade ng MAC. This is kinda sexy. Yeah, kinda sexy. Kasi, ewan ko, pero parang gusto ko yung mga earth tone ngayon. Ganun naman kasi ako eh. Kung ano yung maisipan kong kulay, yun na yun siya. I mean, it depends on my mood. Talaga. And then, of course, ito, yung Avon. Diyos ko, ano ba yan? Ito yung clear mascara ng Avon. I like it. I don't like those very heavy mascara. Kasi parang, ang bigat ng, ano ko, ng mata ko. Alam mo naman, ang mata ko parang always sleepy. Tapos, ito, sa Sephora, yung nabili ko. Ano siya, lip liner. Parang minatch ko lang dito sa Kinda Sexy. So, minsan ko lang siya gamitin. Then, ito, yung pag-glow effect. Pag-glow effect ng Fenty. Pero, minsan ko lang din siya gamitin. Pag gusto ko lang. And then, itong blusher ko from Chanel. This is number 370 Elegance. Ayan. Medium frames. Na, maganda tong Chanel. Minsan kasi, kailangan mo mag-invest ng medyo mahal na makeup kasi it's worth the penny. Konti lang ang anuhin mo. Yung kulay niya, yung pigmentation niya is very, very good. So, tip. Kesa yung bibili kayo ng mura nga. Nakailang, brush ka na dun sa blusher, hindi pa magkulay. So, okay. Ito kasi naka-attach. Sorry naman. So, of course, I always have my hand sanitizer. Kailangan yan. And then, this one, my husband bought me a face mask and a body mist. Yeah, from L'Occitane, one of my favorite brand. It's really refreshing. I mean, kapag meron pa akong isang face mist which is Laneige. Napakaganda rin yun. And ang bango. Super. And then now, sorry. Ito, pen. I got it from our training. Every training, our trainer will give us something to something for us to keep, which is pen, because she knows that we always lose pens, and if not, hindi kami magdadala. And of course, kailangan yun sa training. And of course, susi sa trabaho. Okay, ito pa. And this one, Dr. Pau Pau. Pau Pau o Popo, I don't know. Hindi ko alam i-pronounce. Pero ito, it's very good on the lips. Especially me, I have a very dry lips. Diba? Ito yung, ewan ko sa mga artista, usong-uso to. Lakas maka-artista, diba? At saka ito kasi because I have dry, you see, cuticles. Kasi mahilig kasi akong, alam niyo naman, pag nasa bahay, katulungan peg. So, kailangan ko to. This is a limited edition nail and cuticle oil. Yeah. So, yan. Mahilig talaga ako sa mga toiletries. Ewan ko ba. At saka ito, dinala ko na lang din, baka kailanganin ko later on. So, yun, wala na siya. And then, ito may long champ na supposedly, gusto ko siyang gamitin as my makeup kit. But then, nagbago na kasi ko ng ng wallet. Ayoko na ng mga malalaki. Ito yung card holder ko. Okay, this one I got it from, personalized from Fossil. Yeah. And then, ito na ngayon ang wallet ko. O, diba, ang kapal. Ang kapal sa card. Sa card lang, pero $10 lang ang pera. $12 naman. And then, my other purse, or coin purse, supposedly. But I use this to keep some of my cards. Yung mga membership card. Ano ba yan? Na lagi ko naman ding nakakalimutan. Yeah. And then, yeah. That's it. Dami, diba? Kaya ang bigat ng bag ko. Grabe. So, yeah. Maybe you want to share what's inside your bag as well. Yeah, just upload it.